Greetings everyone, on today's video I'm feeling some thrills and some chills here at Disneyland. Let's roll that intro. Let's begin with a bit of a thrill on Indiana Jones Adventure: Temple of the Forbidden Eye, which means it's time for another cereal. Let's roll that clip. Well, looks like Jimmy's returned to the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Jimmy, how are you? Oh, what was that over there? Maybe it was just you, Jimmy. Oh my goodness, a thrilling and chilling day for sure as you make your way down into the temple. Always fun down here. Oh, what's that say on that sign? Who knows? But you know what? It is chilling and thrilling in the Batcave. Ooh, for sure, Jimmy. Just remember, watch your step. Fear behind every corner, Jimmy. Oh, look up, there's spikes. Oh my goodness, keep your head down. Some people say the foundation of Indiana Jones Adventure: Temple of the Forbidden Eye is real swell. I tend to agree. Oh, Jimmy, what was that over there? Oh my goodness, was it you again? Nah, I'm just kidding, Jimmy. You're a good-looking fella. Looks like Sol is still doing his safety spiel, but ooh, looks like someone didn't pay attention. Remember, Jimmy, always remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the car at all times. And remember to buckle your seatbelts. You might have heard this spiel 1,000 times, Jimmy, but it always rings true. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.
It's the curtain of time. It is your destiny.
I can see the future. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh no! Wait a second, if I can see the future, did I know that this is gonna happen? Maybe. Whoa, my goodness, feels good on my body. Emperor Palpatine's down here. So Indy's holding back the gates of doom, I guess. Oh. Thanks, Indy. Thank you, buddy. Oh. Everybody's having a party down here. Well, it's Skelly, especially this guy. Oh my goodness. Good morning, Mars Skull, the flaming tornado. Okay, bye. I'm just kidding. Hi again. Oh, that's the spirit of Mara coming to say good morning. Oh my gosh. Woo! Alright, we gotta go through this hallway. Take our best shot. Not that kind of shot. Please stop! Whoa! Thank goodness! Indy, please get us out of here. You got a bad feeling about this? So do I. Indy, hop in now. Indy. Bye, Indy.
Get out of here!
Bye, Indy. Our greatest nemesis, that rolling boulder, has followed us. Oh, no! What a fun way to start the video, but we've had a thrill. Now let's go for a little bit of a chill, and I think I know the perfect place. Oh yes, the Haunted Mansion Holiday. Woo, yes! Oh, I can't wait. Never enough. Never enough. Very chilling. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's gonna be the right elevator between the two. I'm gonna see if I'm right. Come on. Which one? Oh, winner! Yes, a chilling sight indeed. Look at the griffin. So cool. That's what I'm calling it. I think it's a griffin. What do you think? I love all the details. Such a good attraction. Man-eating plant. Oh, I feel bad. His right eye, it looks like it's infected. We should probably get that checked out. Any horticulturists watching today? Oh, we're back in the ballroom. Yes. Bon Ginger. So good, Bon Ginger. I like this one a lot. Getting a little hint of gingerbread smell right now. Not as overpowering as normal. That's okay. I'll take whatever I can get. Yes, it's a chilling evening here in the graveyard. Because it's always evening in the graveyard, right? Or nighttime. Yeah. Could you imagine this at like sunrise or in the middle of the day? Not nearly the same effect, I don't think. Another fun ride there on Haunted Mansion Holiday. But now that we've had a chill, I think we should go back for another thrill. Yes, and I think one of the best places to do that is in Frontierland. Oh yes, you guys know where we're going. You know where we're going. That's right, it's time for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. That's right, Buck is back. Here we go. Oh, so pretty down here, Big Thunder. Okay. Here
we go again. 12th row, by the way, not too shabby. Yeah, hello, possums. Whoa! It's now goat trick time. Very exciting. 12th row is pretty good. No 15, but it's pretty good. Hi there, Billy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So good every time. You can keep looking inwards here. Wow, this is nuts. Look into it. Oh my gosh. So much fun. Oh dear. Well, I said I wanted a thrill, and I suppose dynamite's one of the most thrilling things I can possibly think of. Oh. Hopefully we'll make it before David. Wow, yeah, that's a fog budget today. Love to see it. Man, oh man, I do love Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. I really, really do. Now, you might have heard me call the goat Billy, because I just found out, thanks to a little show behind the attraction, hashtag not sponsored, hashtag could be sponsored, that the goat is apparently called Billy, or unofficially speaking. So, I refer to Billy now on with the goat trick. So yes, get it like Billy, goat, scruff, that kind of thing. Billy Goat. I know, yeah, anyway. But I'm feeling like we've done a thrill, we've done a chill. We've done a thrill, that means we must, again, do a chill. And I'm going to a place that I think has a nice little bit of a chill, a cozy chill. Oh yes, that's right, the one and only Pirates of the Caribbean. Ooh, time to go down to the caves for a chilling good time. Oh yes, the brominated smells envelop one's senses. I just love this ride so much. So good. And you know what? I'm gonna say something. I love the one in Walt Disney World too. I know it's not the same. I know everybody says this one is better, but you know what? I don't care. Wherever you are in the world and you're riding Pirates of the Caribbean, good place to be. It's a good place to be. Chilling indeed. Like I said, in a cozy kind of way. Excellent. No bones about it. I love that guy. Keep it up, buddy. Hello, Captain. The ghost piano. The haunted mansion, the pianist is here. Oh, we were looking for him. We found him. Oh. Quintessential Disneyland.
No fear and
It's a great effect. Everybody, that's gonna do it for my thrills and chills video. I hope you enjoyed it. I made it a little bit shorter. I want to try something out a little bit different here today, but I hope you liked it all the same. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for the comments, for the likes. Thanks for sharing the channel around. It really helps a ton. But also a huge thank you to the members here on YouTube and the patrons. Thank you guys for supporting me financially. That helps a ton. If you're interested in that and have no idea what I'm talking about, check out the links down below. Either way, until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.